Being an International Youth Advisory Board member has been a transformative and enlightening journey for me. Through this platform, I've had the opportunity to connect with diverse individuals all over Nepal with different perspective, aspirations, expectations, background, culture. Together, we have embarked on a journey of policy advocacy using art-based method to talk about pressing social issues here in our community.
Tentunya yang pertama, aku merasa senang karena aku mendapat hal-hal baru dari teman-teman. Dan yang kedua yaitu YAB Internasional ini menjadi wadah aku untuk bercerita dan sharing pengalaman dari negara kami masing-masing, baik dari MAP maupun dari luar MAP.
Kesan saya tentunya senang karena bisa bertemu dengan teman-teman dari YAB negara lain, dan ketika ada pergantian YAB jadi menambah teman baru juga. Terus juga selama ini sering sharing ke YAB Indonesia tentang kegiatan yang dilakukan YAB Internasional. Begitupun sebaliknya.
The most memorable moment or the session that I would say would be the formation of our Youth Advisory Advocacy Research Forum, which is also called as YAD, and YAD is basically a local YAB in context of Nepal. So all the discussions, all the brainstorming sessions, all the program plannings and everything that we had done throughout our journey was the most memorable for me.
Sesi yang paling berkesan untuk aku selama proses YAB Internasional ini yaitu sesi brainstorming, karena sesi brainstorming ini menjadi salah satu tempat untuk kami sharing dan refleksi tentang kegiatan apa saja yang udah kami lakukan di MAP. Kemudian yang kedua, ketika YAB Indonesia diberi kesempatan untuk memfasilitasi YAB Internasional dalam proses pembuatan film. Menurut aku, sesi ini sangat berkesan karena antusias teman-teman YAB lainnya ketika memberikan skrip.
Selain momen atau sesi yang berkesan, ada juga tantangan yang kami hadapi, yaitu merasa kesulitan ketika berdiskusi secara langsung karena terkendala bahasa. Meskipun sudah ada penerjemah, tapi rasanya masih kurang puas karena tidak bisa berdiskusi secara langsung. Dan beberapa bulan terakhir, di pertemuan YAB Internasional, hanya negara Indonesia dan Rwanda yang sering hadir. Hal ini membuat pertemuannya menjadi kurang seru karena hanya kami-kami aja yang berdiskusi. Sebagai YAB, dampak yang paling aku rasakan yaitu bisa menambah wawasan dan ilmu pengetahuan. Selain itu juga ada sesi di mana negara lain bercerita tentang tantangan yang mereka hadapi dan bagaimana cara mereka mengatasinya. Dari situ aku belajar untuk menghadapi tantangan yang serupa di Indonesia.
So as a YAB, I have collaborated with different stakeholders, educators, professors, students, and community people here in Nepal. These collaborations have enriched our discussions regarding complex social issues here in our country. Local policymakers were also engaged throughout the process, which has enriched the discussions as well as made them involved throughout our processes. By harnessing the power of arts in such a simple manner, we have compel the local policymakers to take actions regarding the social issues in our community.
Ibyiringiro byacu ni ku Mana. Undi witwa
ndumva akarembo ari keza, impamvu nahise n'icumi icyo mutageraho bitewe n'Imana ndetse n'abayobozi. Ubuyobozi bwiza bushyirwaho n'Imana, niyo mpamvu ubuyobozi bwacu bushyirwaho n'Imana. Ubundi nk'umuntu wapfuye mbere ya jenoside cyangwa muri jenoside umugejeje muri runo Rwanda yagira ngo ni ya paradizo
Aku bisa menjadi lebih tahu tentang isu atau masalah yang terjadi di negara lain. Dari situ aku menjadi lebih peka terhadap isu atau masalah yang terjadi. Seperti misalnya di Indonesia ada suatu hal yang terjadi tapi itu tidak menjadi masalah. Namun bagi negara lain itu bisa jadi menjadi masalah yang besar. Dari sini aku menjadi lebih peka dan memiliki cara pandang yang berbeda terhadap suatu isu.
The most rewarding aspect of my involvement as a YAB would be the connections that I have made with the fellow YAR here in Nepal. Through the shared experiences, we have actually come together in a common ground in order to solve the various social issues, try to solve, I would say, various social issues in our community. This relationship has been a source of empowerment as well as support for me to navigate my journey of advocacy. The most rewarding aspect of my involvement as a YAB has been the connection I have made with the fellow YAR members. Through all these shared experiences, the collaborative endeavors, we have formed strong bonds, uniting us in a common cause for social justice and equity. These relationships have been a source of inspiration and support for me, empowering me to navigate the journey of activism as well as advocacy with resilience and determination.
Untuk kedepannya, jika ada kegiatan yang serupa dengan MAP, pastinya aku akan ikut berpartisipasi. Dan kemudian aku akan sharing pengalaman-pengalaman yang pernah aku dapatkan dari MAP kepada teman-temanku. Misalnya seperti metode penelitian yang digunakan MAP akan sangat berguna ketika pembuatan skripsi nanti. Aku akan sharing apa saja yang sudah aku dapatkan kepada teman-temanku.
Looking ahead, I'm really excited for the future opportunities that lies ahead of us regarding the arts, advocacy as well as our activism. One of the most profound aspects of this experience has been how we have used art-based methods such as image theater, clay sculpture, drawings, paintings, and all these kind of different tools for social change. This method have allowed us to go beyond any languages and cultural barriers, tapping into the common languages of creativity to express our thoughts, our emotions, as well as our concern. All these collaborations have enriched our discussions, bringing forth a diversity of perspective and insights that have deepened our understanding of complex social problems. Local level policymakers were engaged through these powerful images, which led to the increased awareness and support from them. Moreover, they have also provided us with a path for amplifying our voices and advocating for the change. By harnessing the power of arts, we have communicated our message in such a simple manner, compelling all these local policymakers to take action on issues that matters the most to our communities.
Setelah mengikuti kegiatan MAP, aku akan terus menerapkan etika penelitian yang aku dapatkan di MAP dalam kehidupan sehari-hari.
Looking ahead, I'm excited about the future opportunities that lies ahead in the horizon for arts, activism, and advocacy. Whether through community project, exhibition, or policy forum, I'm committed to continuing my journey as a catalyst for positive change in Nepal and beyond. Yeah!